What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today is our October Nomadik box, so stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about the October 22 Nomadik box. If you're unfamiliar with Nomadik, it's a subscription box. You can select 1, 6, or 12-month subscription that you can go with. The price is going to be about $32 for a single box. If you stretch it out to 12 months, it drops it down to about $29.99 per box. So you save a little bit of money going the longer stretch. Have an ironclad guarantee. Anything in his box that's broken, damaged, already have one. All I got to do is reach out to Nomadik, tell them that whatever the situation is, and they'll replace that item. They have a cool option that if they come in around the same period of a few days every single month, if you know you're going to be out of town, sometimes there is perishable items in here. There's food, sometimes there's things that don't need to get really hot, or if you just don't trust your neighbors. So if you know you're going to be out of town when it's supposed to come in, you can put a stop on that month. So it'll basically skip that month, and you'll still get your full month's number of subscription boxes. You just won't get that particular month. It'll just skip one. So I did pay for a subscription to Nomadik. Once that subscription ended, they started sending me some boxes so I could do them and unbox them for you guys a little bit early. So this is a sneak peek of what you guys that already have this subscription for what you'll be getting for the month of October. So we're gonna bust into this. If you've got any questions about Nomadik, drop them in the comments. There will be a link to Nomadik in the description of this video, so you'll have to scroll down a little bit and you'll see that. You may have to click see more, but you'll see a link to Nomadik. You can get over there and check out the link will take you to their website so you can see all the stuff. We're getting into it, but there's a few things that you can buy from their website from previous boxes. I think you might be used to, you could buy an old box, and there's some items that are marketed for Nomadik, so they've got Nomadik branding on there, so you can purchase those items. So get over, check that out, and just kind of peruse the website, check it all out. But let's dig into this. We're going to use a different knife for this than we normally would, but we're going to go in here and pull out our M-Tech neck knife. Now, I did a review of this little bad boy. I'll put a card up top. You can go check this video out, but this is the M-Tech neck knife. I've added this little tag of paracord there. Really awesome knife. So go check out the review of it. Let's get it clicked back in here so we don't lose it. And let's see what we got. All right, so we have a pamphlet as always. So our pamphlet here gives us a theme. So our theme this month is backcountry built. All right, so looks like we have 4 items in this box. So we have a description of our 4 items. On the other inside, we have some Nomadik tips. Usually those relate to the theme. They have a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month. And then on the back, you've got a link to the Nomadik website. And you've got a couple brand discounts that usually has correlation with the brands that are in the box. So we like to keep this, if you're new here, we like to keep this handy just in case we got to read about something we don't know about. So let's see what we have in here. So first thing, just kind of was there for us. Pop-up solar pocket light 3.0 from Frog and Company. Let's check this out. So we got a cable, we got a manual, and we have a light that comes with a charge. All right, so we got different functions. And here's our solar panel there. Got a hanger, got a charging port here. So let's see, how does this whoa, there you go, that's how it works. Now, where's my power button at? All right, now it has a lantern. So it takes that, turns it in. You have a little dimmer light. You have a strobe. All right, that is pretty cool. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Might not carry this hiking with me, but carrying it camping If I could shave some weight, it would go with me hiking. It's kind of one of those luxury, kind of nice to have as a light like this, and then chilling under the hammock, having a way to have a lantern. Multi-purpose is always awesome to have. So yeah, this is pretty cool. I do like solar just because it gives you a way, especially you don't get to do it every time, but usually when I go hiking, I do have a solar light. I'll just clip it to the top of my pack and let it get some juice while we're hiking. So that's pretty cool. I have seen and used some stuff from the Frog and Company, and this does not disappoint so far. We'll have to test it out, check it out, see what all it will do and can do further than this, and come back with another review. So let's get all these cables and books and close this back up. All right, next, what do we have? Got our sticker. Get a better grip on it. Got our sticker. All right, what do we have? Fishbone knotless rope tie. No more struggling with knots, tying or untying knots. The Steel Piranha. This is a no knots cord tightener specifically designed for paracord and any rope. 530 seconds and below. The fisheye doubles as a quick release, and this product can also be used as a bottle opener. So I can already tell you there is a picture of it. So I'm gonna have to do some practicing and some studying with this thing before I try to throw any kind of knot on it. But there it is for size, so you can see that. It's already attached to a little shank of paracord. It's sturdy. This thing is thick. So we'll have to check this out, figure it out. What is this company? It's just Fishbone Fish. So we will check this out and come back with a full review and maybe even a tutorial. We've got a little keychain ring, so there's that. So we should have two more things. Tenacious tape from Gear Aid. You can never have enough repair gear and repair items. So tenacious tape and stormproof matches. They like to send these with boxes, which I am not complaining. Gives me a chance to keep them in all sorts of various places. So yes, stormproof matches, awesome to have. EDC bag, get out bag, bug out bag, get home bag, whatever you want to call it. Have you some stormproof matches, because you never know when something's going to go down and it's going to be raining, but you need fire, you need warmth, you need heat, you need to cook, whatever. So there you go. That is all we have in this month's box. So there's October. As I have said before, I try my very, very best to try to get prices for you guys and put it in the description. So I will try that once again. I don't know if I'll be able to get prices for all of this stuff, but I try. Sometimes I'm unable to find the item individually where you can purchase it. But I will still do some digging and let you guys know. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. We do these videos once a month, so if you like the content, make sure to hit that bell so you're notified when the videos drop, and come back and check out the other Nomadik boxes. I do have a full playlist of Nomadik unboxings, and I try to come back with some items and give full reviews on those items and let you guys know how they work in real life situation and how they work, period. So check those out, stay tuned for those, and yeah, that's all we've got for today, guys. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.